Welcome back to Business Ideas Vault. Today, we're diving into some machines that can help you start your own small production and unlock fresh business opportunities. China has introduced a really interesting business idea, a small machine that can make ice cream and fruit popsicles right on the street. You just pour the liquid into the molds, insert the sticks, and within a few minutes it freezes into a ready-to-sell treat. To take the popsicle out, you simply dip the mold in warm water for a moment. The machine costs around $500 and can work with almost any liquid, juice, soda, you name it. Each popsicle costs about 20 cents to make, but can be sold for $1 to $2. And in hot weather or high-traffic areas, this little setup can earn as much as $5,000 a month. The EveBot coffee printer is a compact little machine that can print custom designs right onto coffee foam, or any drink with foam, even beer. It comes with built-in images, but you can also upload your own, and customers can send designs straight from their phones using a QR code. It costs around $1,500 to $1,600 and makes a great addition for cafes, bars, or any place with lots of foot traffic or tourists. By turning each drink into a personalized moment, it grabs attention and helps increase sales. With regular use, the machine can pay for itself in about a month, making it a fun and profitable upgrade for any hospitality business. Dry pet food, especially dog food, is made using specialized machines that mix the ingredients, shape them into pellets, and prepare everything for packaging. These production lines handle the whole process from start to finish. Prices usually start around $10,000 per unit, with bulk discounts bringing it down to about $8,000. Because pet food is always in demand and the machines can produce large quantities quickly, they offer strong sales potential and a fairly fast return on investment, making them a smart choice for both established manufacturers and newcomers. The ESM4 is an automatic shoe sole cleaning system created to improve hygiene in sensitive places. It uses strong brushes and high-pressure water to clean the soles of shoes in just seconds, activating automatically as someone walks across. No buttons or manual steps needed. It's perfect for clean zones like food processing areas, laboratories, medical facilities, and precision manufacturing. The system can handle up to 1,000 users per shift, helping reduce cleaning costs while boosting sanitation and safety in high-traffic work environments. Artificial marble panels are produced using a machine that treats PVC sheets under UV light to give them a realistic marble look. These panels are mainly used for wall decoration and sometimes for flooring. Each panel sells for about $5, or $2 to $3 per square meter when sold wholesale. With a capacity of up to 600 meters per hour, daily profits can reach $8,000 to $9,000. The equipment starts at around $20,000 and offers a fast return on investment as long as raw materials are consistently available, making it an excellent option for businesses in decorative surface manufacturing. An artificial stone panel machine is a practical garage-friendly business idea for producing decorative wall panels using liquid polyurethane. The material hardens inside textured molds, creating panels that look just like natural stone, perfect for both interior and exterior design. Starting at around $3,000, this machine lets one person make 30 to 50 panels a day. With production costs of about $2 to $3 per panel and selling prices between $10 and $15, you could earn around $400 to $600 per day. It's compact, easy to run, and offers high margins, making it a solid small-scale manufacturing opportunity. The Kasori Food Dehydrator is an affordable way to get into the dried food business. It comes with 6 stainless steel trays, 600 W of power, adjustable temperatures from 35 degrees Celsius to 73 degrees Celsius, and a 48-hour timer so you can set it and forget it. At a price of $159.99, it's great for making jerky or fruit chips. Producing 2 kilograms of jerky daily and selling it at $9 per 100 g brings in around $180 a day, meaning the machine pays for itself in less than a week. For lower-margin products like fruit chips, payback is usually about a month. It's also available on Amazon. The Kadzima chocolate glazing machine is a compact, professional unit built to coat candies, cookies, nuts, and more with smooth, even layers of chocolate. It holds up to 5 kilograms and has an adjustable drum speed, allowing for both thin and thick coatings while reducing chocolate waste. Priced at $5,200, it delivers consistent, high-quality results. With a 50% markup and about $110 in daily sales, it can pay for itself in around 47 working days. It's ideal for expanding confectionery production and cutting down manual labor. You can buy it from Kadzuma's official website or authorized distributors, and it comes with full warranty and support. The Typhon Terror X Mini Excavator is a compact, tough machine built for small construction jobs in tight spaces like gardens, farms, and parks. It runs on a 13.5 horsepower EPA-certified engine and can easily handle digging, drilling, grabbing, leveling, and other tasks. Designed for heavy-duty work, it's made to last. Priced between $8,500 and $9,000, it's a smart alternative to renting equipment. At about $200 a day, it can pay for itself in just 43 to 45 days. It's a great option for small businesses and independent contractors, and it's available on Amazon. The 3.5 cubic meter self-loading concrete mixer truck combines loading, mixing, measuring, and transporting into one powerful machine, saving a lot of time on construction sites. With its 4x4 drive and top speed of 40 km per hour, it can handle rough terrain with no problem. The 5,500-liter drum rotates 270 degrees for an even mix, and the built-in weighing system ensures accurate measurements. It can produce up to 24.5 cubic meters per hour, and at a selling price of $100 per cubic meter, it can bring in around $2,450 per shift. Costing between $10,800 and $14,800, the machine can pay for itself in just a few days. It's available on Made in China. Mush Art Shelter Technic provides high-quality equipment for making vehicle license plates, including hot stamping machines, pressing systems, and complete turnkey solutions. Their machines follow global standards like DIN 74069 and ISO 7591, ensuring accuracy, durability, and international compliance. Whether for small workshops or large-scale manufacturers, their equipment delivers efficient and consistently reliable production. The Epex Combo Vending Machine is a compact, efficient way to sell snacks and drinks from a single unit. It supports remote inventory and sales monitoring, accepts cash, cards, and contactless payments, and runs on low energy, making it perfect for places like offices, malls, and schools. It costs about $3,400 on Amazon and delivers a strong return. With an average 70% markup and around 50 sales a day, earning $2 to $4 profit per item, it can pay for itself in just 3 to 4 months. In busy locations, it's a dependable, low-maintenance revenue source for both entrepreneurs and businesses. The Samurai 120HV1 is a compact desktop CNC milling machine designed for precision and long-term durability, great for small and mid-sized businesses. It features a 1.2 kilowatt spindle, 5.5 Newton-meters torque, 6,400 revolutions per minute, and 0.005 millimeters accuracy. With a working area of 320 by 180 by 240 millimeters, it can handle complex parts with ease. The solid steel frame ensures stable performance. Prices start at $6,252 for the basic version and go up to $12,751 for the dual tool changer model. With a 30% markup and producing 50 parts per day, it can pay for itself within 6 to 12 months. It's available through Samurai Machine Tools' official website. The new TRF 3000 is an 18,800-watt electric melting furnace designed for non-ferrous metals like gold, silver, copper, and aluminum. It reaches temperatures up to 2,122 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,150 degrees Celsius, melting metals in just 30 to 40 minutes. The kit includes both 1 kilogram and 3 kilograms graphite crucibles, plus an ingot mold, so you can start right away. A digital PID controller keeps the temperature precise and prevents overheating. Priced at $299.99, it can pay for itself in about a month when melting 3 kilograms of silver daily at a profit of 50 cents per gram. It's ideal for jewelers, recyclers, and small metalworking businesses. The Vevor Chamber Vacuum Sealer is a sturdy, commercial-grade machine designed to extend shelf life and make products look more appealing, perfect for food businesses. It comes with a solid metal chamber, a digital control panel, and a powerful motor for airtight seals, ideal for packaging meat, fish, and vegetables. Priced at $292.99 on Amazon, it delivers a quick return. If better storage boosts sales by just 100 units a month at $1 profit each, the machine pays for itself in under 3 months. With higher sales volume, the return on investment is even faster, making it an affordable and smart upgrade for small food operations. Want to turn simple sweets into a high-profit product? Try making sweet bouquets. Using just wooden skewers, tape, wrapping, and a little creativity, you can craft beautiful arrangements with candies, chocolates, or even mini bottles and snacks. They're fully customizable for any occasion, making them perfect gifts for birthdays, holidays, or surprises. Starting doesn't require much, but the potential return is huge. Many people earn thousands per month from home. What often starts as a side hustle can quickly grow into a full-time business. A café in Los Angeles came up with a fun way to serve cold drinks and make them extra appealing. They line special plastic cups with chocolate and freeze them. Once solid, any cold drink, iced coffee, cappuccino, or milkshake, can be poured in. The cup is sealed and stored until sale. When it's time to enjoy, the customer cracks the chocolate layer, which turns into tasty chocolate flakes inside the drink. This creative idea has gone viral on social media, drawing in more customers eager to try it. An Australian company designed a compact, stylish cardigan that folds neatly into a small case, perfect for tossing into a handbag. Made from lightweight materials, it's ideal for cool summer evenings. Customers love its convenience and design, and orders are on the rise. Available in multiple sizes, it's a perfect mix of practicality and fashion. Cardboard bed manufacturing has turned into a profitable startup idea. The concept gained attention during the Paris Olympics and quickly caught on worldwide. These eco-friendly, reusable beds are now used in hostels, temporary housing, and even for camping. They're durable, practical, and feature a modern design. The Sun UV printer is remarkable for printing vibrant, high-quality images on a wide variety of materials. Not just paper, but also leather, plastic, acrylic, and more. It's perfect for creating custom phone cases, playing cards, stickers, apparel graphics, signage, branded merchandise, certificates, and decorative items. With such versatility, it works well for both creative and commercial production. Priced at $5,500, it has strong earning potential. With consistent orders and smart use, it can quickly pay for itself and become a valuable asset in a profitable custom printing business. The Mirror Mosaic Tile Cutting Machine is a specialized piece of equipment that slices mirror sheets into uniform tiles of different shapes and sizes. It automates the cutting, polishes the edges, and gets the tiles ready for packaging, making production much faster and easier. Ideal for large-scale manufacturing, it's perfect for creating mosaic tiles used in interior design, furniture, decorative panels, and art installations. The single-cabinet cotton candy machine is a compact, booth-style unit perfect for street vending and events. It makes cotton candy quickly while creating a fun, eye-catching setup that draws in customers. Producing 2 to 3 servings per minute and running at 900 to 1000 watts, it's efficient for busy locations. It's an ideal choice for entrepreneurs wanting a fun and profitable treat in a mobile or event-based business. Salsa 2 is a portable, tool-free photo booth designed for quick setup and easy use at events. Lightweight and easy to assemble in just 5 minutes, it comes with built-in LED lighting and operates via iPad. It supports photos, videos, boomerangs, and gift creation, with social sharing powered by Fiesta Pro software. Its sleek design, intuitive interface, and mobility make it perfect for first-time operators or businesses offering photo booth services. The RB6FP sock-making machine delivers efficient, high-quality production with a daily output of 300 to 400 pairs. It supports up to 16 colors per sock and features a 3.5-inch cylinder with 96 to 200 needles for versatile designs. Fully computerized and CE certified, it ensures precision and reliability. At 90 cents per pair and producing 300 pairs daily, monthly revenue reaches $8,100. With production costs of $2,700, profits come to $5,400. Priced at $3,280, the machine can pay for itself in under a month. Available on platforms like Made in China, it's a smart investment for starting or scaling a sock production business. The 360 degrees rotating stand is a handy tool for professional product photography, letting you capture full, detailed views for online stores, catalogs, and ads. With a 60 centimeters platform and a 100 kilograms load capacity, it allows both horizontal and vertical movement. It works with smartphones, GoPros, DSLRs, and tablets, making it versatile for different camera setups. Smaller models start at just $2.30, while larger, high-capacity versions can cost $100 or more. Perfect for businesses that want high-quality images, the stand is available on platforms like Alibaba, Amazon, and eBay. Don't forget to subscribe to Business Ideas Vault, like this video, and check out our channel. Your journey to business success starts here.